you see these two notes of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees, let us understand the various features of our currency notes.
In the middle of the vertical band at the extreme left is the denominational numeral 500 on the 500 rupee note and 1000 on the 1000 rupee note, which is printed as a floral design. One half of the numeral is printed on the obverse or front and the other half in reverse, in such a way that the two printed portions have a perfectly accurate back-to-back registration and the numeral appears as 1 when viewed against light.
Note that a circle on the 500 rupee note and a diamond on the 1000 rupee note with an intaglio print can be felt by a touch. Do you know why? This is because it helps visually impaired to identify the denomination.
A portrait of Mahatma Gandhi, a multi-directional lines and an electrolyte mark showing the denominational numeral of 500 on the 500 rupee note and 1000 on the 1000 rupee note appears in this section and can be viewed better when the note is held against the light. The color of the numeral in the center of the 500 on the 500 rupee note and 1000 on the 1000 rupee note appears green when the note is held flat but changes to blue when it is held at an angle.
A portrait of Mahatma Gandhi and the seal of Reserve Bank of India at the extreme right. The guarantee and promise clauses in the middle. The emblem of the Ashoka pillar at the bottom left. The signature of the Governor of Reserve Bank of India below promise clause. And the identification mark for the visually impaired persons are all printed in the intaglio and can be felt by touch.
The letters RBI and the numeral 500 on the 500 rupee note and 1000 on the 1000 rupee note can be viewed with the help of a magnifying glass in the area between Mahatma Gandhi portrait and the vertical band at the right. The future of paper money in India may soon see a change. The circulation of paper money has been greatly reduced with the advent of checks, credit and debit cards. Further, government incurs a lot of money in printing of paper money, whose lifetime is greatly reduced by the wear and tear. Governments are toying with the idea of alternate to paper money.
The vertical band above the seal of the Reserve Bank of India contains a latent image of the numeral 500 on the 500 rupee note and 1000 on the 1000 rupee note when the note is held horizontally at eye level.
A vertical 3 mm wide security with the inscription Bharat and RBI on the 500 rupee note and the same on the 1000 rupee note changes color from green to blue when viewed from different angles. It will glow yellow on the reverse and the next text will glow yellow on the observe under ultraviolet light. On the reverse, the thread is visible as an unbroken line when the note is held up against light.
Hope this helped you understand the special features of currency notes.